Hello, welcome to my YouTube channel, guys. If you're new here, make sure to hit the subscribe button, and if you're a returning subscriber, welcome, and don't forget to hit the notification button so you know when I'm dropping a new video. So if you're someone looking to achieve a certain length by trimming with scissors and a trimmer, this video is definitely for you. If you're interested, then you definitely want to keep on watching. List of tools used in this video are all listed in the description below. This my clients needed it to be revamped and trimmed, so I already went on to revamp and flat iron it off camera, and then I had her come in for the trimming process because I wasn't exactly clear how short she wanted it. I had her seated wearing the wig properly and comfortably. This is the number one unspoken rule when trimming. For the purpose of description, you can see the tape and different inches. So this hair, we're working with a 14 inches long straight hair, and she wanted it at 10. I couldn't just start cutting from 10 because once the hair is off darling, there is no putting it back. So I started working an inch below, that is from 11, and you can see me cut at eye level using my scissors so I can still have enough hair to work on. So I already removed the measuring tape, and I evenly cut at the eye level using my scissors till I'm satisfied with the length. Otherwise it's just not going to come out right. So you want to make sure you are combing through as you cut, like I do here in this video. Working session by session does the magic best. You want to be careful as you cut. You want to comb it through also. Like you see me doing this video, I don't cut until I finish combing. This is to make sure all the hair are aligning themselves before I cut with the scissors. So I work from one end to the other because this makes the work easier for me. I don't just cut all at a go. I work from one end to the other while I'm sure this is the desired length I am going to obtain. I went back to the other side to work till I'm satisfied with the length. Satisfied with the cutting with the scissors, I went in with my trimmer to cut all unevenness, especially at the nape. That's where you get to see much unevenness, and you cut at an angle. When you're looking at it from an eye angle, you think everything is equal, but until it's bent at an angle, then you'll be able to see the unevenness at the nape. And I'm gonna leave you to enjoy the rest of the video. So when I'm satisfied with the trimming, I went in with my hair straightener. This is the procedure I normally do after I finish trimming to see if it's really even at both ends. And as I straighten the hair, I observe some unevenness at the tip. This is the last process that you just have to go in and see if there's just any strand. You just have to go out. You just have to go out, because when you're cutting a blunt cut, you just want it to be blunt as possible. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. Please, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below. So if you guys would like to see a video tutorial on how to cut a blunt bulb on a manicure, do comment down below. Please make sure you like this video and make sure you share with your friends.